Absolutely gorgeous. I'm in Hanna Park to enjoy the sunrise and to find the birds. There are dolphins out there. Sunrise is the best time to see them. Wow, it's so cool. Oh, they're following this boat. Yeah, that's pretty smart. Oh yeah. Yeah, that's where the fish are. You just have to follow the shrimp boat. It's Sunday morning. A lot of people are out boating. Oh, look at this guy. He's way out there. Can't believe it. Look at that. Look how far it is. It's a beautiful morning, like any other in Florida. Anhingas, great egrets. It's a young anhinga, almost entirely white. That's a female or maybe young. I think it's a young one. Raining. Look, they're all busy preening. You gotta keep your feathers in order. Nice view. So that's the tricolor heron. What, they're fighting? Yeah, those two young ones are not getting along. This is my branch. Move out. No, it's mine. I was here first. This is another tricolor. Great egret is just observing. He's looking around what's going on. Wow! Is that a great horned owl? Yeah, that's a great horned. I don't think I've seen it this year yet. Okay, let me get to the other side. Wow, there is a great horned owl. Hopefully it won't fly away. I noticed it a moment ago. They came to this side. There it is. Great horned owl. Yep, look at those ears. He's staring at me. That's so cool. Took off. Hopefully I'll find it again. I saw the direction where it flew, but who knows how far. And that's the red-shouldered hawk. He's somewhere there, and the red-shouldered hawk doesn't like him at all. So he's trying to scare him away. And I can actually hear the great horn. Oh yeah. There you go. He's looking at me. It's always cool to see them. Red-shouldered hawk is clearly not happy. This is my hunting ground. Get out of here. Another one is coming. Yeah, coming to help. No. Oh yeah, look at that. Oh, red-shouldered is right here. Hawks are clearly not happy about the great horned. They're like, get out of here. This is our hunting ground. You have no business to be here. Yeah, there they are. They keep complaining, but nothing they can do. Yeah, there are two red-shouldered. Blue-gray gnatcatcher. Cute little birdie. Blue-gray gnatcatcher. Let's check out this peninsula. Here you go. Green heron. He's on hunting mode. Gotta get your meal. Just a strip of land. Anything? Ooh, green heron. Yeah. I guess it's the same one. Great egret is on top of that building. Some egrets are still on the nest. Is that the young one? Or that's the adult denting the nest again? Never seen them sit like that. But that's a young one. It still has some baby feathers. Do you see what I see? They're tiny turtles. That is so cool. They're so tiny, like a little leaves. Wow. Baby turtles. That is so cool. Where are you going? It's a long way to the pond. Takes forever. Be careful, little guy. Yeah, keep going. That's the right direction. That's where the pond is. Look how tiny they are. It's cool, really cool. The morning dove just landed in front of me. Yeah, he was so cute. One time I found the young ones, they look so different. I was thinking, what in the world is that? Let's walk this pathway. This is one of my favorites. It's really pretty. Come on, Kalinula. What are you eating? I guess he got something. So now I'm gonna check out some alligators. I'm pretty sure they're somewhere here. Oh. Anything here? So many green herons here. I think the young ones are all grown, that's why. Nice. And this guy is just sitting there and playing guitar. That's a good spot. Alligators in the area. Caution. Let's see if we can find some alligators. Sometimes I see 3-4 of them out here. Here you go. There's one. Do you see it? Yeah, he's going somewhere. I guess he's going to that island. Let's see if he's gonna climb out. Would be cool to see them when they're coming out. Just turning around. Going to another direction. Yeah. Let me go into shade, it's too bright. Tuna. He's coming. He's coming to get me. Yeah, look at these eyes. Oh, he's turning around now. Probably noticed me, that's why. Okay, that was my morning walk here in Hanna Park to see wildlife, birds and alligators and turtles and all kinds of stuff. Hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you all in the next one. See you then.